In this video, you will learn about Oracle Dual Table, which is a special table used for evaluating expressions or calling functions in Oracle. Let's dig into more on Dual Table concept. In Oracle, the select statement must have a from clause, unlike other databases such as SQL Server, MySQL, Sybase, PostgreSQL, and Greenplum databases. In those databases, let's take example of SQL Server. If you want to get the current date, you simply write select get date. So this will return the get date of server, current date of the server in SQL Server. Similarly, in PostgreSQL, if simply write select current date, this will return the current date of the server in PostgreSQL. But in case of Oracle, you must have from clause for select. So if you observe in these statements, so there is no table reference, nothing but from clause, and you might be confused why there is no need to give from clause if you are new to the Oracle and had experience with above mentioned database like SQL Server, MySQL, Sybase, and PostgreSQL. But one thing is clear here: from clause is mandatory in all the queries in Oracle SQL. So we have to rewrite the that query like select current date from my table. Of course, you can keep any physical table in place of my table here and get the result of current date. But the problem here is you ended up getting the same number of rows currently you have in your table, even for current date also. So I just want only one record and one row with the current date. But if you keep any other physical table, let's say if you have 10 records in employee table, if you select current date from employee table, it ended up giving you 10 dates. Obviously, we don't want that. So fortunately, Oracle provides you with the dual table, which is a special table that belongs to the schema of user sys, but it is accessible to all the users in the database, kind of a public. And the dual table has one column named dummy and whose data type is varchar2, and it contains only one row with the value of x. Selecting from dual table is useful for computing a constant expression with the select statement, because dual has only one row, that then the constant is written only once. Let me show you that. So now apply describe on dual table and see what it will returns. See now, the column name is dummy and the data type is varchar2 1. And what do we have in the table? Let's query and see that. See the value x, that means some dummy value. And how many records are there in this table? See, count is 1. So by using this dual table, you can execute queries that contain functions that do not involve any table, like even system functions, lower, upper, substring functions. So let me show you that. Even let me close this first. So in place of employee, you can give select current date from dual. Sorry, spelling is wrong. Current date from dual. Yes, see. Or you can use Oracle inbuilt date function sysdate or sysdate. Both are same, current date and sysdate. So sysdate will give you the date along with seconds also, but not microseconds. And as I said, you can use functions also. Select lower of dual table from dual. Now see, it converted to lowercase. And besides calling these built-in functions, you can use expressions in the select clause of a query that access the dual table. Let me show you that. Select 10 plus 15 by 2 from dual. See, even you can perform arithmetic operations with the dual. The dual table is most simple one because it was designed for faster access in Oracle. So in Oracle 10G release 1 and above, Oracle treats the use of dual the same as calling a function which simply evaluates the expression used in the select statement. This optimization provides even better performance than directly accessing the physical dual table. So if you want, I will show you one more. So this is interview question. Most of the times they ask, so how to generate sequence numbers without sequence database object in Oracle. Okay, I'll show you. Connect by level scenario equals to 11. So this is generated 11 numbers in sequence. So I did that by using dual function. Sorry, dual table. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.